Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how you can convert a animated GIF into a video, because let's say you're using a newer platform that supports animated video and it looks a lot smoother than just a slow-loading GIF. Like, how do you do that? And the answer is there's a lot of websites out there that'll let you mess around with GIFs, and EZGif being one of those will allow you to convert a video to a GIF. And all you got to do is open up your different source GIFs and convert them back and forth. So I've got some Helldivers animated GIFs of Bile Titans and like little Terminid bugs typing angrily at a computer, and we're going to convert those into a video real quick. Alright, so that took it a moment. But now you can see the animated GIF of the alien trying to angrily type to people online on a small laptop, and I want to convert this into a video. And it does let you convert to all sorts of things, like I can convert this to an MP4 video, to an animated PNG, to a WebP photo, to a Apple MOV video, to a Webm video, an MMG, an AVIF, which I forget what that stands for. That's a Microsoft AVI file type. But what we want is actually, let's convert it twice. We'll do one with an MP4 video, and then we'll do another one with a WebM video, just to show how well that works. And you've also got other types of tools here as well, where you can remove the background and make it a transparent video. I'm guessing that uses AI of some kind. You can change the loop. You could add color filters. You can repair a broken GIF if something's corrupted about it. Or if you think there's some useful metadata on it, you can view that as well. But we just want the converter. So I'm going to go ahead and convert this into an MP4 video. And that actually goes pretty quick. And it's about the same frame rate. It's really just pulling the same details from the original animated GIF and turning it into a video. And the video actually for MP4 is a lot smaller. Like this one's 17 megabytes and this one's 300 kilobytes. So that's not bad, actually. So we could save this if we want, and we'll just put this in like the examples file. Bile Titan typing. And then from there, we presumably are done. I can go share this on places like Discord, and it'll play real nice. Alternatively, we could convert this into a WebM video, which might work a little bit better depending on what we do with it. Although you can't convert from an MP4 to a WebM, but you can convert from a GIF to a WebM, which is weird, but that's fine. So let's convert to a WebM video instead. And then click convert, and let's see how well this does, because I'm curious. I have a few different programs on my computer that I've used over the years to convert things to WebMs for various purposes. Some of them work really well, some of them don't. This one seems to have done a pretty good job, and it's very slightly smaller than converting it to an MP4. I mean, for the most part, MP4s are pretty efficient at what they do these days, especially if you pay really close attention to how you encode them. So here we can now save this, and then we can say this is Bile Titan WebM, just because we can. And now if we open that, we can play that. Whoa. I was going to say we can play this with... That got gigantic for a second there. Anyway, as I was saying, you can now play this as a looping video in VLC Media Player, and you can see that it looks pretty good in WebM format. And even when it's stretched, it still looks like it's really good quality. Like, this isn't janky, although it looks like being converted a couple of times has resulted in some white spots, some missing pixels here and there on the actual character moving. But considering that this is free and you don't have the original source material that this is made from to make a high quality GIF, and then convert it back into a high quality video, one or two little white spots are really not that bad for like missing pixels here along its neck and on its leg. You really wouldn't notice it pretty much at all at a smaller size like this. So that's good to know. So yeah, that's a brief look at how to convert GIFs into videos. You can pretty much convert whatever you want with this website. They've got PNG to scalable vector graphic, JPEG to scalable vector graphic, which can be very convenient. So yeah, check it out for yourselves. I put the video description. I've got the link to this website down there, and I will catch you guys next time. Have a good one, everybody, and bye.